Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and today I have not one, but two boxes from KnitCrate, and then I'll show you, before we go, the hat I just finished for Hat Not Hate. So let's start with this one. I have no idea which one this will be. One will be a sock crate and one will be just the yarn crate, the yarn box. And this says, snap a shot to win 3 free months of KnitCrate and post it to Ravelry, Instagram, or Facebook. Well, we'll see. All right, this box contains let's go through the non-yarn things first. First off, there's a tea bag, silicone, and let's see, you open the bottom, you fill it with tea, close it, loose tea, and then it acts like a tea bag for your tea. I have some of these, they're really cool. Then I want to look at the book so that I know what I'm showing you. I think this is the yarn crate, but I wouldn't want to be wrong, because I think I may be wrong. This may be the sock yarn. Okay. And if I can turn the page, I might find the answer. All right, so this is the sock crate. And the sock crate yarn that I got is since I get the anything goes, I always have to figure it out. So I know this isn't all natural, which would be I think that's grays, and Hidden Pool is the greens, so this must be Blood Moon. Okay, look at this. Look at those sparkles. Oh my golly, that's so pretty. Yep, I could have just read the label. Blood Moon, 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina, fingering weight 399 yards, 365 meters, 100 grams. Machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. So this is gorgeous. This is their Uru yarn. And it's soft, it's squishy, and it sparkles. I really like this. This is a cool color. I'm not sure I would use it for socks, for myself at least, because it would end up being hidden under a thicker pair of socks, since I double sock most of the year. And who would want to hide this? This is pretty. So, how many yards did I say this was? 399. 400 almost. With another one, I could probably knit a skinny scarf or a skinny shawl. I might have to send for another one. So that's the sock crate. That yarn is so gorgeous, I thought it would be the knit crate. but it's the sock crate. So let's see what the KnitCrate has for us. Okay, so here is the KnitCrate. La Brebis by KnitCrate. And it's light alpaca. And I believe it. And it's 100% baby alpaca fingering weight. Put it up close to you so I can read it far away. It's 400 yards per skein. And obviously, I think this is the Energize Me selection. It's, which would be 365 meters per 100 grams. And the suggested needle size is 0 to 3 or 2 to 3.25 millimeters. Of course, I would use this for lace. I would probably use a 6 to a 9. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. Very nice. And there are two. So they are both very nice. And together, let's see, together, did I say 400 yards per 100? This is 800. Definitely could do a small shawl. Okay, I'm thinking like a lace knitter again. I better watch this or I might end up knitting a lace, and that takes me forever. And with it came stitch markers. And you know, something I've never had or used is point protectors. So, very cool. And of course, another book. So, that is my KnitCrate delivery soft yarn and yarn box for this month. And I just want to give you a quick glance at what I finished for Hat Not Hate. This is a 3-way hat. It can be used as, I'll mess my hair up beautifully. It can be used as a slouchy hat. I'm doing it on the side so you can see it. Or you can roll it up and pull it down and use it as a non-slouchy hat. Or, one more and my hair ought to be totally a mess. You can turn it the other way, flip yourself up like that. I like to flip the end up to get a good coverage for my ears and wear it with the pattern like this. I think it goes well all 3 ways. So, there you are. And so, a reversible hat. And I think that I will make a video tutorial and show you just what I did to make this. Here's the inside. So it looks kind of cool on the inside. And here's the outside. And it looks kind of cool on this side too. It's a combination of leaves and berries and stuff. So I might do a tutorial on this. I don't think it'll come out too soon because I'll make it in stages because I want to start another hat in a different pattern that's in my head. I figured out how I might be able to do a pattern of a thermal stitch in the round. So I'm looking forward to trying that out, and I may do that as a tutorial as I go. So do hit the like button, do subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I'm back again, and I will see you later.